The elements are common to all acids. Answer: hydrogen. What is the unit that is used to measure food? Answer: calorie. Which is the fastest fish on the planet? Answer: saltfish. Which metal is known as the best conductor of electricity? Answer: silver. Name the word deepest ocean. Answer: the Pacific Ocean. Who is the father of modern chemistry? Answer: Lavoisier. Which is the rarest blood type in humans? Answer: AB negative. Where is the smallest bone in the human body? Answer: ear. What is the number of color in sunlight? Answer: 7. Who was the first person to define speed? Galileo Galilei. Answer: thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe.